I am thrilled to be bringing you a namesake from Raquel Welch in a gorgeous gray. This is Love Always Raquel in the color Silver and Smoke. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. What a professional style in an incredible color. I am thrilled to be partnering with Raquel to bring you this review and give you all the information that you need to make a good decision on your next wig purchase. My number one goal in making these videos is to show everything that I can and to help empower you on this journey. Whether it's tips and tricks videos or wig reviews, they're all super important, and I hope you learned something today that will help you make a good decision. This wig comes in a lot of colors, so if this color isn't for you, know that you have a lot of choices if you love this style. Raquel is an online retailer that also has some in-person wig shops. They have a number of them in Canada, one in the US, more coming soon. They carry all the major name brands. They have great sales, open box discounts, name your own price, just everything you could ever hope for in a wig retailer. They've got it. I can save you some money on this piece and other purchases. I'll put some information in the description box below. I may talk about some tip videos that I have out there. If I do, those will be linked below as well. I have a new wig wearers series, so if you're brand new to wig wearing, I have a whole series of videos that walks you through terminology, how to measure your head, truly to empower you on this journey. Definitely check out Raquel as well. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. This wig is incredibly natural looking. Just a really great throw and go piece. One of the biggest challenges I face in reviewing a color like this is for the white balance on my camera not to wash everything out. So if you are here to see color, I do show this color outside as well. My color segments are always at the end of my videos, and I do timestamp all the major segments. But when I put this one on, I just fell in love with her. Honestly, even this color, which I don't generally wear grays, God willing, I'll live a lot more years and I will have a lot of opportunity to go get into the grays if I want to. But I just feel as though this is one of those styles that looks so much like bio hair. Sometimes wigs can have that perfectly coiffed appearance that can make some of us uncomfortable. Even though nobody's going to look at it and say, oh, that looks like a wig, it feels like a wig to us because our bio hair was never quite that perfect. But this one, while definitely stylish and professional, with the way the ends are just a little bit thinner with a little bit of flippies, not a lot of flippies, because I'm not a huge fan of flippies. I actually like these flippies. I just feel as though if you're looking for that sort of layered bob style, this one could be a great one for you. This does have a lace front, and on a color like this, it's going to be flawless. You're not going to be able to tell at all. It's going to look like the hair is growing right out of your head, so you can wear this up off your face with confidence. But if you wanted to trim in a little bit of a bang on this one, it does have a little bit of a start of a fringe, nowhere near the ability to wear this as a bang, but you can trim bangs into this one if you are into bangs. I actually have a video showing how to use a thinning razor to trim bangs, so that'll be linked below. But we also have a full mono top, so you can actually part this anywhere you want within that monofilament up there. This is made with heat-friendly fibers, so synthetic fibers, so you can take traditional heat tools to this if you wanted to change that part. We have an extended lace all the way to the ear tabs, so no transition anywhere if you wanted to tuck the wig behind your ears. We have some good size ear tabs here, soft material, an extended nape with soft material, and we also have Velcro adjusters. We've got open wefting, and if you can see a little shine on those wefts, that's actually their Memory 3 cap. It's got a little bit of silicone on the wefting. For someone like me, even though I buzz my hair, I do still have some bio hair up here. The silicone doesn't, I don't feel, do a whole lot in securing the wig, but if you've got no bio hair, that silicone can really secure the wig. I've never felt as though it pulls my bio hair, and I have a very, very, very sensitive scalp. So I don't think it's detrimental to anyone with hair, but it can be a nice feature. They do say that over time that will conform to the shape of your head. I don't know if I've really noticed that, but it certainly doesn't hurt to have that feature. You can see, just throw and go, run a wide tooth comb through, and you are out the door. You guys, this is a really, really great piece. We do have some Permatease though. You definitely want to be aware of that if you struggle with fullness on wigs. We have Permatease sort of all throughout here. It is not substantial, but I can feel it. So it does give it this fullness, this rounded appearance that does look like you took a little bit, either that you have thicker hair or that you took some time to do your hair, you know, round brushing and some thickening products. It really gives this a super, super kind of stylish, professional appearance. Throw a little makeup on, wear this to work, wear this to church, even out on a date, to a wedding. I just think, personally, I feel super polished and ready for the day in this piece. Let's talk about fit. Raquel Welch as a brand generally runs really true to average. I do get a lot of extra cap up here. There is a lot of extra cap up here, which is because I have more of an average petite head size. Generally, Raquel Welch wigs fit me large. I cinch them in a fair amount. Wearing a wig grip with any wig that's big on me generally is all I need to do to feel secure. I wouldn't wear this wig without a wig grip because it is big on me, but with a wig grip, it is just fine. Compare your measurements to mine in the description box and know you can be a fair amount bigger than me on all your measurements. And this wig should fit. It does have a ton of stretch. I'm just a real fan, and I'll be honest with you guys, in some ways I wish I would have gotten this wig in a color that I would typically wear. I really think I would wear this one all the time. They did a phenomenal job with this style. Feels like human hair, looks so great. I really think this is going to be a daily driver for anyone who purchases this one that likes a little bit of flippies, a little bit of layers. It's super great. That's all I can say. Let's talk about this color, Silver and Smoke. The code for this is RL119. You guys, if you have been looking for a beautiful, sort of a salt and peppery gray, not heavy on the pepper at all, you don't want a rooted gray, which it just seems like there's so many of those out there, this is fantastic. I know that my camera really wants to wash this out a little bit, but what they describe this as is a light brown with 80% gray in the front, gradually into 50% gray toward the nape. The nape is darker. You can kind of see that down here. It is darker at the nape, lighter up toward the front. It is definitely a grayish. I wouldn't really call this a silver. It doesn't give me silvery. It gives more of a muted, kind of a grayish appearance with some light brown, grayish light brown throughout, like that ashy kind of light brown. It is so beautiful and so natural. It does not look like you've gone to a salon of any sort. You'll really be able to get a sense of this color outside. It's really hard to describe these grays, but you know, you get your grays that look really silver. You get your grays that look really white. You get grays that sort of look fashion, that almost look like you've gotten your gray highlighted or low lighted. This doesn't do any of that. It just looks like a natural graying of maybe a hair that was more in the light brown area. It's stunning and really natural. Let's get outside so you can see this one outside. It's great. I recommend this wig with all my heart. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Don't forget about Raquel. See you guys soon.
All right, starting out in the shade of a tree. We'll step into the sun in a moment. It is actually raining a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but we have direct sunlight on me and it's raining. I'll have to look for the rainbow. Unbelievable. It's actually not even raining, just a little bit. Oh my goodness. That's not common. Beautiful color. There you go.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.